Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central. We're at IFA 2018, and today we're taking a look at the MSI Prestige P65. So if you've been following our channel, we recently reviewed the MSI gaming laptop, the GS65. It's actually one of my favorite gaming laptops of the year. Well, take that, paint it white or silver, and make it a consumer version. And that's what this device is. So it goes on sale in October, it goes for around $2,000, but it can drop in price depending on configuration. You can get up to a GTX 1070 in there. The one we have in front of us is a GTX 1060. It's Max-Q design. You can get up to an Intel Core i7-8750H processor. That's a hexa-core. So you get some really powerful specs in this, including 16 gigs of RAM. The display is really beautiful too. You're talking sRGB 99%. So they're focusing on creators with this laptop and professionals, hence the new color scheme on it. The keyboard also doesn't have RGB backlighting, it's just a normal backlit. You're also shipping this with around $400 of creative software on there for video and photo editing. So it's really the target market here, but you're still going to get around 8 hours of battery life. It's the same laptop as the G65 in all other regards. The white version though will have a Thunderbolt 3 port, whereas the standard silver apparently is just Type-C 3.1, probably bring down the cost a little bit. And when it comes to those ports, you also get a full HDMI, full Ethernet port, a couple of USB-A's, and that Type-C or Thunderbolt 3. It's a really good design. I'm actually really happy to see this in white. We're actually about to review the PS42, the Prestige laptop from MSI too. That's a smaller 14-inch one, so pay attention to our channel for that. Like I said, this will be available in October, starting around $1,800, different regions of the world. You can configure it up to a GTX 1070, so that's up to you. So there's a quick look at the MSI P65 here at IFA 2018. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.